pelvic floor, from the sacral trunk, and the sciatic nerve is runs to the street. And if you do the job like this, the main drawback is the bleeding. You can see what can happen. Breathtaking situation. Don't open. The defect is found, compressed. So let's analyze. So it was not the hole made by the scissors. You see, the hole we tear the vessels because of applying the pressure on the tiny wall of the internal vessel. It was completely secure. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to your team to keep so cool and solve the problem so properly. Fantastic. The question, are there any questions from the auditory to this video? Can you?
Yes.
Okay.
Not well, but
This is quite extended pelvic lymphadenectomy.
yes.
It's also called therapeutic lymphadenectomy.
Yes.
So when you do such a degree of lymphadenectomy, then would you still give radiotherapy afterwards? Or even if the lymph nodes are positive, I'm talking about cervical cancer,
Yes.
would you not
No,
not give radiotherapy?
Unfortunately, this is the issue of endless discussion. And I hope that the statistical study and ABRAC study conducted by our friends will answer this question. Unfortunately, I don't have, in this particular situation, we had a patient with the clinically 1B1, but the radiologically 1B2 cervical cancers. So she had not palpable, but found on expert ultrasound infiltration of the left paramedia. So that's why I was so extremely exhaustive on the left side.
I think, in my opinion, it would be, for big tumors, it would be useful to do this kind of lymphadenectomy, but then if they do have radiotherapy afterwards,
Yes. Yes. I'm a bit of heretic in those cases. I mean that if we have, in my team, if we have less than 3 positive lymph nodes, usually we do only adjuvant chemo.
thank you.
This is what we do, but this is not the standard approach. Thank you.
Okay, last question, please.
Do you have any bladder dysfunction after this kind of you do the
No, because we didn't have any hypogastric nerve impairment because the majority of dissection was made lateral to the vesicoumbilical fascia. So we left behind the pelvic plexus and the inferior hypogastric nerve. So it was a part of nerve sparing procedure.
Martin, thank you so very much. Very impressive video. Again, the indication is another topic. It's not.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
The next